That's car, tire, toolkit. An auto mechanic will handle all sorts of car problems. Let's experience it together. 2 cars need to be fixed today. My car is broken. Can you help? Don't worry. Let me have a look. First, let's see what's going wrong. Drag. The problems have. The wire is broken. Let's fix it. Ahem. Blow away the black smoke quickly. Connect the wire to corresponding position. Pour liquid into the correct tank. Install the gear and the car can get started. Wow, it's fixed! Great job! There are a lot of trash in the car. Let's clean it up. Trash should be thrown in the waste bin. Vacuum the paper scraps. The air conditioner is so dirty. Let's wipe it clean. Place pretty decorations in the car. We are done with cleaning up. It looks great! The tire is flat. Let's change a new one. Let's jack up the car. Take off screws and remove the broken tire. Then put on the new tire. Install new screws and fasten the new tire. The tire has been properly installed. Next, let's pump it up. The tire has been replaced. Great job! Great! It's all repaired. Last, let's decorate the car. Thanks for fixing my car. You are